Gaudin Technical Institute is a brand new post-secondary education program we opened up. It is 100% subsidized. So our students are getting free education and they're getting real-life hands-on experience. They go from theory to practical, and they are instructed by a Ford master technician. So their personal hands-on experience is just very invaluable right now. For the students interested in automotive technician or the automotive industry, I'd like them to take away that Gaudin Technical Institute is here and an amazing way for further education. For everybody else not interested in automotive, a lot of information was provided on vocational trainings and ways to obtain certifications that will set you up for success.
The most exciting part of the tour today was definitely seeing how the people work, like fix cars, like the transmission, oil changes, tire replacements, and batteries, and all like the hands-on.